Let us go and start a new project in Android Studio. Choose an empty activity for this application, as we have no additional requirements. You can provide a name for your application. Don't forget to choose Java as your language to build an application. We choose API level 21 as a minimum, so this application will support more than 94% of devices all over the globe. Now we are getting our project ready. Now we will add a plain text into our screen, as we have to take the user's name as an input. From the attribute panel, we will remove text, and we will provide a unique ID to it. We have used constrained layout here, so we have to provide constraint to top. As well as we will connect, edit text to left and right so it will become center aligned automatically. After this, we will add a button. We will give a significant ID and text to it. We will align it against edit text. Lastly, we will add a text view, which will be used to display user greetings after we press the button. ID and alignment are done as we have seen. Now, we will open our main activity.java, which is working as a controller. Within this file, we will prepare a button, one text view and an edit text. You may observe that we are giving names to these elements, which we have given as ID in our view file, just to get clarity. Now within our onCreate method, we will bind these elements to the views that we have prepared in view file by using our resource class R. So we use method findViewById, in which we are passing our .id is given to that element in the XML file. Next, we want to greet the user the moment they click on this button. So we will prepare onClick listener and will attach it to the button. Within this onClick method, we will go and use the calendar class provided by Java. So we create an instance of that calendar class and then apply get method over it. We are passing hour of the day as a parameter, which will fetch you an integer number. That is 1, or 2, or anything, but real time. The real hour of the day. Now we just create multiple conditions using if statements. If hour of the day is from 0 to 12, then we will say, "Good morning user." So in text view, we use method setText. And then we write down the greeting message, which gets concatenated with the username. We continue writing these conditions for all greeting messages. After all this, we go and run this application, so it will load our emulator, and we will see our Android phone, a virtual device. Now, if we give the name of the user as John and then we click on the display button, you may observe that it says, "Good evening John." The reason behind this is the current time is 7:47. So our third condition will get satisfied, because here we will get 19 as number returned by calendar instance. If we run this application after 9, then it will say, "Good night" to users. Quite simple, right? Thanks for watching it.